In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the checkout page in Wix, specifically for the year 2025. So, if you're ready to dive in, let's get started. First things first, let's open up the Wix website. This is the main gateway to all your site's design and operational changes, so make sure you're logged into your account where all your projects live. Once you're inside, go ahead and navigate to your website. This is the site where you want to implement those checkout page edits, so be sure you're on the right one to avoid any unnecessary confusion later on. Now, on the left-hand side of your dashboard, you should see a menu. From here, you want to click on Pages and Menu. This area holds all your site pages within easy reach and allows you to make quick modifications as necessary. Look for the option that says Cart and Thank You. It's here that we'll focus our efforts today, because these are the crucial pages surrounding your checkout process. When you've found Cart and Thank You, go ahead and click on the Cart page. This is where the magic really happens. It's like opening up your toolbox and now you've got all the gears laid out in front of you, ready to be adjusted to your liking. Next, you'll want to click on Settings. This section is pivotal because it's here that you'll be able to customize a lot of what you see. Take a moment to look around and see the variety of options available to you. From adjusting the layout and flow to modifying what elements appear, you have the freedom to tailor these settings to best fit your needs. In this same settings area, you can also choose to edit the design of the page. Look for design options that allow you to change colors, fonts, and other stylistic choices that align with your brand. Remember that consistency is key here. You want your checkout page to echo the look and feel of the rest of your site. Don't shy away from exploring all the features available. The more you know, the better acquainted you'll be with your site's capabilities. Taking the time to tinker with different settings can reveal exciting design enhancements you might not have initially considered. You can also edit the text here, ensuring that any instructions or content reflect the exact message you want to send to your customers during their purchasing journey. After you've made all these adjustments, there's just one last step, and that's to click Save. Ensure everything is working exactly how you want it and confirm that all the changes are effectively in place. Saving your work is like sealing it in time. It's what makes everything stick. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through editing your checkout page on Wix. By following these steps, you've taken a big step forward in refining your customers' shopping experience. Remember, the attention to detail you've shown here will have a positive impact on your customers' overall satisfaction with your business. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy editing!